So we are here at Daytona International Speedway for the Rolex 24. So we're actually here right before the race is about to begin in the morning, and so we got 24 hours of racing ahead of us. So that's going to be kind of interesting. So we got that video going on, but right now, take a look here. We got the Garage 56 NASCAR to Le Mans NASCAR. So far it looks pretty good. Definitely have quite a few changes just on the aerodynamics. Got the very tall rear spoiler along with the added downforce pieces and stuff on the side. So quite a bit of that. We also have the mirror, which honestly that's kind of cool there, being able to see the mirror. But yeah, right now, a very cool looking design on the car. Unfortunately, I have the center lugs, which is unfortunate. Got the special logos on the wheels there of G56. That's kind of cool. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Definitely going to be interesting to see how this car does once it goes racing at Le Mans. So see how it finishes and stuff. But yeah, that's cool. Wasn't expecting to see that today, so. Very, very neat. But yeah, we got the Chevrolet display here. We got the C8 Corvette display car back here. We got Lexus, BMW down there. But yeah, that looks pretty cool, as always. I forgot about the headlights in the front. That's cool. But yeah, got Lexus down here as well. Got an electric car. Yeah. Ooh, we got the new Colorado though. Nice. Colorado ZR2. Sweet. That's cool. So this is the new front end for the new next gen Colorado. So they refreshed it. So this is the ZR2 version, but they squared up the front end instead of making it look as European as it was. So it looks a little bit more trucky. It looks pretty good. Looks like there's a wee bit more room in the back. That was definitely an issue. They have the folding step bars there. They're supposed to fold down when you get in, so that's pretty cool. Nice and rugged looking. Nice wheels. Yeah, they just made it a little baby Silverado now because they redid the rear taillights too. Yeah, that looks much better. Yeah. My question is, did they fix getting in and out of the rear? That's the one thing that I'm kind of interested in, because there's well, they got no, with the last one they have no there's no hand grip to be able to get in.
Oh, okay.
And so and just with how high up it is without a hand grip, it makes it very hard to get in and out of. Whereas like the Ranger is very easy to step in and out of, plus also you already have the hand grip to be able to hoist yourself in. So but yeah, it looks good. I like it. I was hoping to see one of these at some point, so cool. But yeah, it looks like a little baby Silverado. It looks really good. Nice. Very, very cool.
So for your information,
yeah,
the fan grid walk starts at 12 p.m. and runs to 1:15.
Okay. So that's good to know. And we got a Lexus race car. Ooh, we definitely gotta take a look at that. Oh, I forget what, I think it was like 2019 or 2020, I forget which one it was. Got to see Kyle Busch race these, drive these during the Roar, so that was really cool. But yeah, these Lexus race cars, I like these guys.
They look really nice.
Yeah, but also too, they still have a V8 in them, which is kind of cool, whereas I think like some of the other ones are running V6s, so they just have that unique V8 sound to them. But yeah, these Lexuses are always cool to see on track. Look at the giant louvers on the back. I love those. A very pretty color as well. I love the paint scheme.
It's funny. I'd never noticed the little pieces stick out just because.
Yeah, because
No,
well,
not this close
it's supposed to be
so,
camouflaged. Yeah. But yeah, it's interesting because just the aerodynamics when you get up on one of these cars and look at them, it's crazy how much aerodynamic there is.
Right, 'cause even around the lights and stuff, it's all designed.
Yeah. And then you got the stuff that seems like, well, why is that there?
Right.
Design, it's trying to help design the positive or the negative pressure that it needs to create downforce. It's fascinating.
Not your normal
But yeah,
stuff.
it's not your stock car, but that's really cool. And then we got, ooh, it looks like we have a drag racing prep Supra over here at Toyota. I don't actually know what car they're racing. I don't think I saw one. Interesting.
This is a SEMA concept.
Oh,
right
SEMA
here.
concept car. Oh yeah, the NHRA Supra. Yeah, 10-second twin turbo. Ooh. Ah, that's cool. There's two of them too. Wow. I like the graphics, but that looks sweet.
See how the roof dips?
Oh wow, yeah. I don't think that's normally stock, so that's a little aero.
Yeah. And the river has
But
it
yeah,
as well.
yeah. Yeah, the seats are sweet, but look at how beefy these tires are. Good night. That's cool. But yes, two NHRA SEMA concept Supras. That's cool to see. That's really cool. Then we got the GR Corolla. That's how Woody wants to have one of these now. That looks good with the black wheels, black trim. Ooh, we actually got a blackout on the top. That looks good. Nice leather perforated seats in there. Looks sweet. Oh yeah, and then the back. Yeah, so that really makes it look like the TRD Camry with that styling on the back. That's cool. Yeah, it's a 1.6 liter turbocharged 3-cylinder, 300 horsepower out of that thing. Whew. Nuts. They look like a very fun car. I really think that they're really only, for comfort wise, really only just a coupe, but still, that's a cool looking car. Then we got the 86 and then the 86 race car. That's pretty neat. Haven't seen a Toyota 86, basically a BRZ race car before. Ooh, look at those wheels. They got lug nuts, not just one. Nice. That's pretty cool. Yeah. That's really cool. Cup North America. That's interesting. But yeah, look at that aero there on the back. That's kind of interesting. That's cool. Nice. And we got the BMWs. Ooh, looks like we got the new class BMW on display. Yes, we do. That's sweet. It's got the LEDs on and everything. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Ooh, by Delara. Interesting. Looks like that's just the body slapped on, but still, that is really, really cool. That's really cool looking. Look at that, giant Brembo brakes in there. Sweet. Yeah, so this is just the body that they slapped on. It's not really meant to be run, but that is really cool. But yeah, the amount of work they put on the front with the lights and the LEDs, that's pretty cool. Alrighty guys, so we got the Hyundai in display. So we got the Hyundai in Kona here. And so this was a pretty cool looking car. I forget how much horsepower this thing was supposed to be running, but it looks pretty cool. Also neat color as well. Let's see here. Let's see, class of its own, high performance, and nothing really specific on there. But still, definitely cool that they're doing a little bit of a little crossover. High performance is pretty cool. Then we got the in-race car here in the beautiful Hyundai racing colors. The wheels look really good. I'd also like to see a blacked out wheels on this as well. That would be pretty cool. But that is neat looking. Got the arrow on the front and the back. That's pretty cool. Wow. Yeah, that is really cool there. But look at that carbon fiber there on the side. Got the arrow for the front wheel. That's really cool. So the Michelin Pilot Challenge there. That's neat, looks good. Then of course we have the actual production car right next to it. And I honestly have to say that I wanted to go with the production car. The production car actually looks meaner. Look at that, with a little bit of black trim on there, the wheels. That looks really, really good there. Oh yeah, and then we got the nice little low profile black spoiler there. That is really, really cool. Nice. That's definitely a nice competitor for the Toyota TRD there. And it looks really, really good in there as well. Got the in-styled interior leather seats. Nice. Then we got another inline without the special colors. We got a few other cars here as well. Ooh, got an Acura display. And have a nasty electric car. So we'll skip that. But we got the Acura display here too, as well as Ford Performance, which I didn't realize. The Integra is back. Ooh, looks pretty good and spacious in there actually. I like it. But here's the race car version. Yeah, it's very nice, bright. Also reminds me more of a drift car livery than an actual IMSA styled car. That's really cool looking. Yeah. Huh. That's pretty cool. Looks good. Oh, and then we got the I'm not sure actually. Type S. Oh, DPI, yep. Look at that front end. That thing is busy. That thing's nuts, look at that. That's a crazy looking car. We have the next gen Mustang. Let's say Corvette, good night. Mustang right here. Sweet! Look at that front end. That looks really, really good. Nice long hood. Actually, it looks like it's a little bit longer than the current model there. Interior looks pretty good on the inside. You got that giant wide screen going all the way across the interior. That's pretty cool. Ginormous brake rotors on that thing. That is massive. And then there is the very new rear end. Ooh, nice texture there on the bottom bar. That's pretty cool. But yeah, look at how recessed that is. That's pretty interesting. Got a nice little like carbon fiber texture going on the GT, so that's pretty cool. Nice. Definitely some wider fenders though, that's for sure. Compared to this right here, you can see the fender line there. Even though that's a race car variant. Yeah, that's a much wider fender there on the back. That's interesting. That's pretty cool. Got the Ford GT MK2 race car there. Looks really, really good. Ginormous diffuser there on the back. Exhaust system, got the extra exhaust going through the taillights as well. That is crazy looking. Nice brakes on the wheels. Nice matte finish on the wrap as well, which looks really good. Beautiful GT lenses. That's a cool looking car. I like it. Alrighty guys, so right over there beyond the hollows and stuff on the track actually, there's a whole line of looks like Porsches, BMWs, I think there's a Toyota Supra, etc. And I'm not sure exactly how this was put together, but there are people in line waiting to get into those said cars for a hot lap around the track. So they're riding. So yeah, there's a lot of them. There's at least, we got the Porsche moving now. I'm not sure if you can see that. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, 10, 11 cars there. So that's pretty cool. So you got 2 Lexuses, got 2 Lamborghinis, got about 3 Mercedes, etc. But that's I'm not totally sure how all that's, what that is, how it's going on, etc. But that's definitely pretty cool. So you get one whole lap around the entire road course, come back, they stop right there, get out, and put more people in. So I mean, yeah, they're doing it pretty good. You're getting one lap back out, so doing pretty cool. That's certainly cool. So, as I said, I'm not sure what that is, who's it's with, or how it's organized, but that's definitely cool. That's for sure.
Yeah. Oh, look, there's a blue-haired bee. That was funny. I like your hair. The whole thing was like...
guys, so here's some of the old heritage cars that were racing or had a little bit of a exhibition event before the 24. So we're still waiting as the grid gets lined up, but quite a few cool cars. So we got C6 right there, or C5 actually, looks really good. We got several Porsches. We got this beautiful GT350 Mustang that looks excellent. We got the Chevrolet Corvette Goodwrench car, which looks awesome. There we got the Jeff Gordon DuPont, which looks great. This car looked awesome on the banks, that's for sure. That is really cool. You can see why these paint schemes are so popular still. That's neat. They got to see a version of this at the Make 'em Color auctions. Terry Labonte version, actually. And so that's cool to see there. Oh yeah, Hendrick Motorsports. That's cool. That's cool to see. I'm gonna go find myself a place in the infield, hopefully, to get some good shots of the cars as they begin racing.
His teammate in car number 35 is Francois Heriot. They're on the pole position in on the 210th of the overall grid. PR100 Motorsports is Ben Keating. TCG cars in 10th. Car 75. Racing number 02 for Alex Lee. Ahead of him, the teammate car 01. Still wants that 4 minutes, Richard Taylor.
What's the Daytona prototype? Yeah, there's 3 classes.
Live from the 5th floor overlooking the tri-oval and the start-finish line. 61 cars have rolled out of the pit. A marvellous and the Herculean effort by the Whitworth Racing team to bring damaged in an accident earlier on this week. We wish the best to Lucas Yard. It's causing from the hospital bed at the moment. Lucas, we wish the best. Just out the pit, 3.5 miles. The classic of the broad and oval circuit that has started the International Series here in the US for a very long time indeed. IMSA One-Start Championship in the 61st running of the Rolex 24 Hours of Daytona. Tom Blomqvist gets a decent start and pulls away in the front of the field, but he's under pressure straight away by the yellow fronted 01 Sebastian Bourdais Cadillac. The 61st entry here this weekend as the prototypes are about to go back onto the banking. It's a good start for Fabian Schiller. Mike Skate holding on in second place. The top 3 Mercedes have come in.
So we got Daytona over there, and the 24 hours is continuing on, and we're over here having ourselves a wonderful supper at Wawa. So we got ourselves Italian with a bunch of wonderful garlic aioli and etc, and coffee, and yeah, we'll be walking back over to watch more racing later on, but for now, having supper.
Do you want it to be a
quite a shock for the drivers going down the back straight. Drivers left both times on the infield and then coming down the back straight as well.
Do you think the teams actually warn the driver?
If
I was a team manager, I would tell them just to be sure there's don't be alarmed.
They never want that type of move.
That would be amazing.
That's a big crowd, mate. It's not loud.
This next stint, no windshield turn up the top, just a nice and lean. That makes a big difference to driver visibility. It's a bit like getting a new tear off, but you just hope that the guy actually cleans the windshield, gets all the strings. It's going to be a long stint. Looks like for a top. Away goes the Acura. That goes a lot quieter than we had off here.
It's just because the fireworks instead. In the pit lane. I can't actually hear the fireworks, but both the noise of the cars, which is extraordinary. So we started into a couple of hours there with Tom Blomqvist getting a wiggle on before he came into the pits for that pit stop. This race, the single team 31 was two seconds out, and then the old short. So the Porsche and BMW had major issues, and then both of the back.
They needed less fuel than the other contenders that came in single laps.
Away then in the yellow and black zero.
This has been a tradition that goes back many years. This all started a little bit as back in the olden days when we used to race dinosaurs. My friend Beth, who did PR for some teams, it sort of became a thing like, hey, at midnight, let's meet and we'll get like cinnamon rolls. And it was easy to find each other because there weren't a lot of people here. And it kind of became a joke because it's like, hey, I see you, you're 100 yards away, hey, let's get cinnamon rolls. And that's where this came from. Sadly, Beth is not here. She's in Arizona, but and still one of our into cars. But this is all about friendships and relationships, and that's where this came from. We have three good friends here with us today. So who again, relationships have been with us for a very long time. Andy Hollis, if you've read our tire tests, which are very popular, so thank you for reading them. So Andy has some special teaser news for later, but Andy's worked with us for a very long time. Adam Saul on the end. Adam is here. Adam is representing Mercedes-AMG. And again, Adam is someone we work with. When we first tried to do one of these tours, semi-formal, of course I had no plan, and people showed up. And it's like, when you throw a party, people show up, and you're like, oh, I didn't make plans, I gotta figure something out. And I saw Adam, and I'm like, Adam, where can I take people? But because Adam was working for the Speedway? Grand Am, which became IMSA, and Adam graciously said, here, get in that elevator, go up, and you can watch the radio feed. And it was in Spanish language, and I was in Spanish, and no one cared, and it was fun. And that was, I want to say it was 2 years ago, but really it was probably like a 2 plus a 0 after it. Oh, at least. So, but yeah, again, relationships, Adam's an old friend. In the middle, we have someone who actually used to write for Grassroots Motorsports. We were just talking about this. So there is a future in journalism, and that future is you can become president of IMSA. So, John Dewey, thank you.
Alrighty guys, so well, past midnight into the next day here at the 24 hours of Daytona.
1 a.m.
Yeah, and so we just got done with our portion anyways of the Grassroots Motorsports Magazine midnight tour. So that was a lot of fun. Had a cool little Q&A and stuff. Was able to hear some of that. Able to go check out the area where they're switching tires on the rims and stuff. So that was really awesome. And now we're gonna go try to get some sleep, and then we'll get back up and see some more racing hopefully. So anyways, we'll see you then. Good morning guys, we are back walking through the tunnel here, back into the speedway. I think we're at, what, about 7, almost 7 a.m. So we're going to be walking back up into the track and see what there is to see. So we've got about 2 hours of good sleep and a few other moments of off and on sleep. So anyways, heading back in the track, we'll see what we got going on.
I can't thank every single person. I just